So we finally reached the showroom and the catch is this. This is the first time that Shagufta is seeing this bike. She's not seen this color. She's actually not seen ZX10R at all, right? Yeah, she's not seen ZX10R at all. So she does not know which bike we are buying. So let's see her reaction. Hello. 1, 2, 3. So
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. We have got a bike, yay! Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is our bike! 1, 2, 1, 2. A bike is getting ready for the delivery.
Yay! Finally, D-Day is here. Okay, so both of us have gotten ready. You can see all grayed out, both of us, because the bike is grey and we wanted to match something to the bike. Okay, we have not yet got our riding jackets, we have not yet got our riding suits, helmets. You can see I'm going to take that old shitty piece of helmet and go. So, vibes all ready? So right now we're heading to the showroom. This is D-Day, guys. This is D-Day. Finally, the delivery of the bike is happening. We're super excited. She has already bought herself a new helmet, as you guys can see. And my helmet's still on the way. I've placed an order for it, but unfortunately it was not available in India, so I had to place an order for it from outside. That is a video in itself, how I got to know about that helmet, how I placed the order and all of that. So stay tuned now, let's go to the showroom. Bye!
Going to take the delivery of the bike, yay! Oh. Last few hours to get the bike to home. Yay.
So just something that I was thinking of right now, like, you know, we're on our way to the showroom. One of the influencers which I genuinely can relate with is, his name is Kanna Omkar. I don't know if you guys have checked his channel out. Please check his channel out on YouTube. He used to have a Z900 and then he worked his way up and now he's got a BMW S1000RR. So just this clip from him na resonated with me so much. You know, just listen to this clip.
So टाइम लगा, धीरे धीरे चीज़ें हुई. देखो जी, जब तक जिस चीज़ का टाइम नहीं आता वो चीज़ नहीं होती. मैं इस चीज़ में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिलीव रखता हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव रखता हूँ. मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा, बहुत मेहनत लगी यार.
Basically in this clip he just says that, you know, everything happens at its own time, right? Like I remember telling you guys on D-2, you know, when our relationship or my relationship with Deekshit started in May of 2023. That is when I wanted to purchase the Z900 at that point, and that too a second-hand Z900 because one of the previous owners wanted to sell and upgrade to a Ninja 1000 SX. I was so convinced that is the bike for me, but then it did not happen. I don't know why it didn't happen. It just did not happen. Then we decided that okay, fine, you know, maybe I should go ahead with a new bike, and that also did not happen. Then I told you we've gone through the entire spectrum of bikes. You let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on why I chose ZX10R and which all other bikes we considered and why we rolled them out. So coming back to the point, you know, he says this line that, you know, for yourself only you have to do.
बाकी एक छोटी सी बात बोलूँगा, सपने देखो, बहुत बड़े देखो, और उस चीज़ को अचीव करने के लिए जितनी आप मेहनत कर सकते हो उससे भी ज़्यादा आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, तब जाके चीज़ अचीव होगी. कई बार ये भी होगा कि चीज़ नहीं आ पा रही, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, लेकिन हौसला बिल्कुल नहीं हारना. आपको ना अपने लिए करना है, आपके लिए और कोई नहीं करेगा. ये चीज़ हर बार और हमेशा ध्यान रखना.
So basically अरे वो याद नहीं हो रहा मुझे. ये देख खुद के लिए something like that, you know, he says.
के लिए खुद ही करो.
हाँ, खुद के लिए खुद ही करो, something like that he says. Okay, you can see that clip is also there. So that again is something which, you know, resonated for me because all these milestones which I'm hitting now, it is not for anybody else. It is just for my satisfaction, and it is definitely not for showing off. To be honest with you guys, we could have sold our Jeep, and this money that is going into this bike, we could have combined both the funds and we could have upgraded the car. Like you guys can see right now, we had checked out Audis, we had checked out BMWs, we had checked out Volvo, we had checked out Mercedes, Skoda. We had seen a lot of cars, and then we, you know, frankly had that discussion that why would we need to upgrade the car when we already have a Jeep Compass. And the reason I'm going for this bike is, one reason is that my bike, the CBR that you guys know I have, is 8 years old. Okay, so maybe I felt it's time to upgrade the bike. And coming from a 250cc, now a lot of people will tell me in the comments that okay, upgrade karna hai, so people will normally upgrade from 2 lakh to maybe 3 lakh bike, 4 lakh bike. Nobody is going to upgrade to a 20 lakh bike. So the reason that I have gone for this bike is because I have bought this bike once and for all, so that there is nothing in between and there is nothing after this. So just remember these 2 points. For yourself, you only have to do. Nobody else is going to do it for you, unless of course you come from a rich family where your parents are going to do it for you.
ना तो मैं हूँ करोड़पति, ठीक है, ना मैं कमाता महीने के 10-10 लाख। मेरे को ये चीज़ अचीव करनी है। टाइम लगता है भाई, बहुत टाइम लगता है। अंदर से ना हौसला होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि भाई कोई बात नहीं, मैं पैसे ले रहा हूँ, मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत है कि मैं पैसा उतार भी दूँगा।
But if not for yourself, you have to buy things for yourself. You have to achieve success by yourself. You have to work hard all by yourself. Okay, and that is when things will come true. And second thing is, if things are not happening in time, on time, do not fret about it. Do not worry about it. Everything takes its own time. If it's gonna happen, it will happen when it happens. Why do you need to worry about it, right? Enough Gyan, let's go to the showroom. Bye. We finally reached the showroom and the catch is this is the first time that Shagufta is seeing this bike. She's not seen this color. She's actually not seen ZX10R at all, right? Yeah, she's not seen ZX10R at all, so she does not know which bike we are buying. So let's see her react. Chalo, jaake wo nikalo. You remove that. This is not the delivery wala. Wild check.
Thank you. Oh my god, it looks so cool. ये टायर भी कलर है क्या? Oh my god. I don't want to touch it. I feel like it will scratch.
The seat was for you only. See this one.
Actually इधर होता है क्या? इधर नहीं होता क्या?
इस साइड होता है, ये होता है. How's it? Super cool. Superbike is super cool. छोड़ो, हाथ छोड़ो. How's the sound?
Bike is getting ready for the delivery. Yeah. They are delivering our bike. They are delivering our bike.
Yay! Finally, the bike is all set. They're getting all the balloons. The cloth is here. They're getting the cake. Let's not forget the cake. And yesterday what happened was one of these people, I think W175 something, somebody had come to take a delivery yesterday when I was doing the PDI, that is D-1, and they did not get the cake. So I was asking Deekshit, I was like, yeah, what is it, how come that I'm getting a cake and they're not getting a cake? They said that only it is 600, rather than in this case Ninja 650 and above, you get a cake. So the 650, the 6R, the Z900, the ZX10R, that's when you get a cake. Okay, so if you guys want cake, buy a big one. Oh, పెట్టండి పర్లేదు. Fancy cake, huh? Fancy cake.
Happy birthday.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
1, 2, 3. I know, what am I doing?
मेरे फोन से लूँ क्या? यो
So finally, that is the delivery of the bike. Our dream bike has come home. It is the ZX10R 2024 model, Diablo Black, and everything went so smoothly. We are blessed, absolutely blessed that we are able to buy this bike. So that is it. So all the more reason for you guys to subscribe to the channel, because right now, since we are married, I had also told you in the proposal video that a lot of content coming up right now with the new bike, a lot of motovlogging content coming up, and as always, our vlogs and travel vlogs will always be there. So do subscribe to the channel, do hit the like button if you like this video, share it with all enthusiasts of the bike community, so that they also know how much struggle it takes to actually afford and buy a ZX10R all by yourself. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we are the 8th Wanderers signing off from Visakhapatnam. See you.